In this video, we'll be completing the Khan Academy Challenge, a picture perfect trip. So in the instructions here, it says that we're going on a trip and they want us to add images to the web page after each paragraph tag to share about where we went and what we did and everything. And so in the hint here, they show that there's the paragraph tag and then we need to put our image tag in here below it. And so I have 3 paragraphs. I need to do 1 image for each of those. And this is the format, the hint here is the format of how an image tag looks. So I need to keep this all consistent here, but then the ... that's where I get to decide what I'm putting in there. That's where I need to put the part for the image. So I'm going to start. I'm just going to go below this paragraph. I'm going to do my angle brackets, IMG, and then SRC, which stands for source. And I need to do equals, and I need to put my quotes. And then normally you would put in the URL of an image, but in Khan Academy, to kind of help us along and to keep the website safe and everything, they let us just pick a file. So it doesn't really matter what you put in here. I'm just going to grab this one and hit OK. And then this part is kind of weird in Khan Academy because this file picker thing is like still in your face, but you're not really done. So you got to kind of click out of it, and then it has my beginning quotes and my ending quotes, and then it put the link in here. And I still need to put in my ending bracket here. So that's good. Now I need to do that for the other 3 paragraphs. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Another angle bracket, IMG, SRC equals my quotes, and then I'm going to pick a different file. That one looks fine. And again, click out of it and do my angle bracket, and then one more time. Alright, so now I have those, and then it says, make sure you add alt attributes to your images so that blind people using your webpage can understand what the image is showing. So in this case, what I'm just gonna put some text in here, and it's saying it needs to be inside the image tag. Okay, so I need to come in here, and I need to put alt equals, and I need to have my quotes. And in this case, I'm just going to put blue blob. Blob, how do you spell blob? Something like that? Okay, that works. So, obviously if it was a picture I was actually selecting for a real website, I could be more descriptive and provide an accurate thing. But again, I'm just going to do this for these ones as well. So I'm going to do alt equals, it looks like a blue dragon to me. And then the last one is this little planet that is very tiny because it only has room for 2 trees. And I'm going to do alt again, equals small green planet. And that's it. On to the next step. Let's see what the instructions say to do next. So it says, want you to experiment with the width and height attributes, so try adding them to your images. Okay, so I already have 2 attributes each. So I have SRC and I have alt. Those are both attributes that I've added to the image tag, but it wants me to use width and height as well. So I'm going to do width equals 500. That's going to make it really big. Let's just do let's make it a little bit bigger, 200. So that's a little bit bigger. And let's do this one, width equals 50. Make that one pretty small. Get my quotes in there. And then my planet, the last one here. So let's do planet, and let's do height. Did I spell that right? How do you spell height? E, yeah, that's good. Equals, let's do 100. All right, so that is how you complete the challenge. Make sure you add the width and height attributes there and change the size of your pictures. Finish challenge.